This is section 8 of JSON in Java Enterprise Edition 8 hands-on training, JSON-B integration with JAX-RS. In this section, we are going to create a simple JAX-RS application which uses JSON-B, deploy and run it on Glassfish 5 application server, and demonstrate how JSON-B is integrated with JAX-RS. Let's get started. And this is the first video of this section, sample project setup. In this video, we are going to take a look at setting up a sample project demonstrating JSON-B integration with JAX-RS. Let's get started. First thing we are going to do is download Glassfish 5 application server, which is currently only one application server implementing Java Enterprise Edition 8. In order to do that, you have to go to a web page, official Glassfish web page, which is javaee.github.io/glassfish. Go to the download page here and select Java Enterprise Edition 8 RI. Go to downloads and click this download link, Java Enterprise Edition 8 full profile, not web profile, so here. I already downloaded it to save time. The second requirement for our sample application is JDK8. It has to be installed and be default on your computer. So in case you are using multiple versions of JDKs, I'm recommending setting up your Java home variable in your bash profile script. So when you open a new terminal window, Java home points on the JDK 8 version, not JDK 9, because if you do so, Glassfish won't work. Next step is creating Glassfish domain. I have my Glassfish application server installed in here. Glassfish 5. So you actually have to go to a bin directory and run as admin application with parameter create domain, and let's name this domain domain1. Enter admin username. I'm going to use defaults. It means that admin name is admin and no password. Here we are, domain is created and ready to use. And here is the sample project itself. Let's take a look at pom.xml. It's pretty much standard. I'm going to use packaging in war because I'm going to deploy it to the application server. It has only one dependency to Java Enterprise Edition API version 8, and it's provided because Glassfish 5 provides it. And here are only two plugins. One is Maven compiler plugin with source and target set to 1.8, and Maven war plugin version 3.2.0 with more or less default configuration. War name is JSON-B. Now I'm going to add our Glassfish 5 instance to my IntelliJ IDEA so we can smoothly run my application. In order to do that, you have to go to Run and Edit Configurations. You need to add a new configuration here and scroll down. Here is 34 items more irrelevant, but that's actually quite relevant because Glassfish is hidden there, Glassfish server, and we are going to use local. Configuration name is, I just put Glassfish here. Now we need to configure our application server. In order to do it, click configure, and I installed my server here. You need to put a location where you extracted your Glassfish application server you downloaded from the official website. Please. Here everything is okay. Now we need to select a server domain, and this is actually the domain what we just created is domain1. And username admin and password empty. Remember, we've done that. No artifacts marked for deployment warning is displayed here. To fix it, just click a fix button and select the first JSON-B-JAX-RS war here. Click OK. Our configuration is ready. We just set up a project which I'm going to use to demonstrate JSON-B integration with JAX-RS.